channel. My name's Heather and this is The Supply Junkie, and I am probably normally addicted to like art supplies, anything bright, makeup, FX stuff. Like if it has color or if it can make something pretty, then I'm completely addicted to it. So today I'm going to show you guys kind of a like last week's haul of stuff that I got and like a Happy Mail with new planner stickers and stuff that I got because I love these types of videos. So first, let's see where to start. This is an order that I got from Jetpens today. And first, we have a Hobonichi stencil. I haven't tried these before, so I'm super excited to try this in my planner. We also have loud bubble wrap. Okay, and then these are for my pins. The ones that I got when I first got these pins, I think they were like 3.3. Anyway, they're too fine for me. I mean, I like the pin, but I wanted something a little bolder. So I ordered these refills instead that are the 0.5 to switch them out for. And then I'll give my son the 0.3s because he likes the finer inks. But I got them in all the colors that they had. It was in a bundle. And then I also got the A6 cover for the Hobonichi. And I got this because what I'm going to use for like my planning from next week forward, because my weeks, I decorate it and it's getting kind of thick. And so this is just going to be for my budgeting in my shopping list. And then I'm going to use the Avec now for the rest of the year. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $28. I'm going to use this for like my daily planning, YouTube planning videos that I'm planning on uploading and things like that. And I also had gotten the Hobonichi cover in the black and orange, which I thought it was perfect since I'm starting these videos now in October. So it kind of goes with the theme of, you know, October and black and orange, and I really like that. And then I also got, this came when I ordered the cover on Amazon. The English version came, but I think what I'm going to do with this one is this one's going to go to my little girl because she loves art journaling with me and playing with my craft supplies and stuff. So I think this one's going to go to my little girl. And then I also, for my weeks, with it being more of a budgeting book, oh, I got dog hair on here. I ordered this off of Amazon. I had seen it on a video on YouTube. It was kind of like in replace of a File of Flax one, like a cheaper version. So I went ahead and got this. What I'm going to do is for the rest of this year, next year, I'm going to use this to put my weeks into. And then when you open it, it has, I'm going to slide the weeks here, and then the cash envelope system you can put over here. It has so that you can slide it in. Here, I'll show you right here. So you can slide it in here and put your cash envelopes there, but that's where I want my Hobonichi, so I'm not going to do it that way. And then I believe it was $24.99. It also came with like the envelopes. And then it comes, oh, it has sticky notes. It has the envelope system. So it has kind of a little instruction guide. And then it has your budget sheets. So my Hobonichi for the rest of this year, my weeks, and next year is I'm going to use for, like I said, for my budgets, for my shopping list. So that if I'm running to the store, it's slim, it'll fit in my purse, and I can just grab it on the go, throw it in my purse, and I already have my meal plan and my shopping list there. And then next, I got these from Maddie Lynn Plans, and it's October and the November daily layouts, but I'm going to wait on these to open these up. First finish my Walmart finds. Okay, I got these page flag clips, and when I was thinking about using these for, and I'm not sure yet, I just thought they were cute, and honestly I had to grab them because I hadn't seen anything like these before in Walmart. Is I got these new sticker books because my sticker book, they're huge and it's bulky, and when you open it up they flop out everywhere. I'm going to start putting my planner stickers in these binders that I got from Walmart. and they're smaller binders. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to put the new Hobonichi stickers that I'm going to use next year, and then put some of my functional stickers in here. And then I got a whole bunch of these plastic sheet protectors to slide the stickers into. But I am completely like in love with the Mandy Lynn Plan stickers right now. So this one will primarily probably be the stickers I get from her, and I think I'm going to go back and get another one for the other stickers and stuff that I have. I also got these notebook inserts from Walmart, and I use these for this planner. And what I'm going to do is I got new inserts. I'm going to pass this one down to my little girl, and because I got a cousin to use next year. So I'm going to pass this down to my little girl. So I got her new inserts that she could put in there and use this as her planner. So if she wants to decorate or have fun with mom or whatever, she's got her own little planner. And then I also got, not super exciting, but whiteout because I make a lot of mistakes. And then I found these cute sticky notes at Walmart. So I thought that was adorable. So I need them? No, but I thought they were cute. So I went ahead and grabbed them. And then I got, it was a shop off at Etsy. I ordered the notebook. I forget now what the name of the shop was, but I will look it up and I'll link it down below. But anyway, I ordered the notebook to go in with my A6 to go in with the VEX. So if I had to make notes or, you know, scribble what I was doing or whatever I was doing, then I was going to put it in here so I didn't scribble all over my planner. That drives me nuts. It probably doesn't drive most people nuts, but it drives me nuts. But what I'm most excited about are these stickers from Mandy Lynn Plans. And I got the December ones. I had never used her planners, but I was really kind of drawn in because she has it for the cousin. She has stickers for the A6. She has stickers for the week, so you can coordinate your planners. And that's probably not important to a lot of people, but I'm using all 3 planners next year. One will be my journal, like I use this year. I'm going to use the cousin as my journal, like my life journal. I'm going to use the A6 as my daily planner. And like I said, I'm going to use my weeks as my budget and shopping. So I love that I can coordinate all my stickers next year, and the layouts will match week to week in each of my planners. But I couldn't use them because I ordered the December. So I went and got on her shop and I ordered the October and the November. I don't know which is which here, so we will open it up and look. But they are beautiful, beautiful stickers. Okay, so these look like this is the November. Oh, and she was put such a sweet note in there. It's so cute. It's so personal, and I just love her shop. I'm like newly addicted to her shop. I was using Erin Condren life planners, but they were so bulky, and when I was at work, it was filling up my bag with my other paperwork, and I was watching Facebook updates probably about, well, let's see, I bought my first Hobonichi in July, but it was on Design Lovely Studio. She had added sticker kits for the Hobonichi, and I'm like, what is this? So I started watching it on YouTube, and I just fell down the rabbit hole. They're slim. I just love the paper, so we will go through this one first. And I believe this is what I ordered for October. And like I said, her stickers are so cute. Okay. So these are the freebies that she throws in, and it's like, it's not just a couple, 3, she gives you freebies for each page that you order, which that's amazing because you don't see shops do that. So these are the freebies. I love the no school because with the holidays coming up. Okay. And I don't remember the names of these, so let me look at my paper here. This is pumpkin spice. These are so cute, and I have never used a kit for my A6 because right now I use my A6 for a journal, but I was watching, I think it's Lone Star Planning, and she was using these kits, and I'm like, that's so cute. So I'm like, of course I want to practice and pre-plan before I get in the year, so I already know kind of what I'm doing because I've never used these kits before. And let's see, I think this is the October Yes, the October monthly, and I believe it's Pretty Pumpkin. And then this one, I think it's Candy, yeah, Candy Shop. But look how cute that is. Jelly beans, wrapped candy. It's not super Halloween-y, but I like that it's not crazy Halloween-y because everything else that I have is like insane Halloween-y. And then here's the daily kit, sorry, not weekly, daily kit in the Pretty Pumpkin. But I think these are so cute. This one's backward. Nope, it was right. Okay. And then this one, I think was actually, it might have been a September kit. Or one that came out for September. Autumn Leaves, which for us, I could have used this. We've been getting snow here where I live since like mid-September. It's cold. It's crazy. And I believe this is Fall Floral. But look how pretty that is. It's like it's fall, but you can still brighten it up with some flowers. And I just love that. And then some just October stickers. And then I got these date covers to go in the new Hobonichi, and I'll have to show you that real quick. I have them right here. The planners that I'm going to use this next year. I have them in the box. I got the A6, so I got the ocean cover. I got the leather cover in the ice blue. And then I also got the lake, I believe this one's the lake cover, for the cousin. And so next, me and my husband are planning on moving to the coast. We're planning on moving to Washington. And these covers were just inspiring for me to kind of keep motivated and save, and pack, and organize and get everything ready to move. So I had gotten the, I think it's a monthly at the glance. Anyway, I'd gotten the ocean to kind of go with the scheme here, but I wanted these dots to go over like important dates and stuff like that because they're translucent. You can see through them, so you can still see the date underneath it. So I got these to go with that. But these are what I'm going to be using next year. And see, here's the thing. I already kind of went ahead to see like how was I going to use the stickers on the first week I could. Like I planned ahead. I couldn't wait. So when I got the Avec to do the rest of my year's planning, I had to get on her website and order stickers so that I could try them out. Okay, so that is all the stickers that I got for October. And we'll push these aside to put them back away. And then for November, I got her November monthly kit. And I'm sure that sound is just horrible, so I'll try to hurry up. In her monthly kits, oop, okay, and she does the add-ons, and these add-ons are so great. But so each kit has its own add-on to it. So you have the sleep tracker, like the habits that you can write down, the water tracker. So they each come with their own trackers, and then she also throws in some more freebies, which is amazing. She's so great with that. Okay, and so these correspond with each of the kits for October, or I'm sorry, November. We'll put the freebies. So like she has meeting, event. Oh, these ones are clear, and I got a clear one and another one. This week, important, new releases, which will of course mark her new releases because I love her stickers, and then to do. And then let's see, go through the freebies, and these are goes with the months. So we have no school. She has the days of the week on the clear. Meeting again, new releases, to do, important, this week in November. And this is really, I wasn't sure yet which one of her, I know that I'm going to get script stickers and functional stickers, and I wasn't sure which ones I wanted yet, but these help me decide which ones I want to get. Okay. And this one, and I don't know the names of the kit, and I'm not sure my list. I've lost my list. I don't know the names of the kit, but I think this is the November floral. I'm not sure, but I'll list her shop down below. So this is the monthly kit, and this is so pretty with the pumpkins and the flowers and just gorgeous. So here's the monthly, and then here's the days that corresponds with the monthly. And then I think this was thankful. You know, I might even have it written down on what it was. Let me look real quick. Nope, I did not write it down, but I'll link her shop down below. But look at this. Look how pretty that is. The pie, a thank you card. Does it say on here? No, it doesn't say what kit it is. It was, like I said, these were all with her November bundle. But look how pretty this is. And then these plaids. These are just adorable. Very cute. And then I got the November monthly stickers with the kit as well. So this will be fun to use and practice with and kind of figure out what I'm going to do next year. And okay. And then this I got for the new A6. And of course, another beautiful note from her. Oh, here we go. Yes, so it was Thanksgiving Floral was the monthly kit, but that's the only one that it says what the name of the kits were. I should have looked before I filmed. And then her card. And then I'd asked her, I sent her a message and asked her to send me, if she could send me one of these stickers so that I could put it on my my binder with all of her planner stickers in it. And it was so sweet. She made a note of it and she put the sticker in there for me. And then these, you guys all know, come with the game that comes when you order a planner from Hobonichi. Okay, and then we got goals. And don't forget, these are super cute. I'm excited to try those out. And I think these are kind of sized for the cousin. So that'll be fun to use. And then I got the You're at a Glance in the bright. So I ordered the You're at a Glance. And then I also ordered the corresponding stickers to kind of go over like really important dates so that all corresponds and matches. And I think that is all that I have today. That's everything that I ordered. So that's kind of the October haul video of everything that I've gotten. I think the next video that I'm going to do will be kind of like a setup of the new Hobonichi that I got. But I appreciate you guys. Sorry about that, guys. My phone stopped on me. But again, thank you guys for tuning in and watching me. And I will do the setup next. And I think another time I'll kind of go through the November kit, because I know on or I'm sorry, the December, because this is for the weeks, the kits that I have for the weeks. I know on Facebook people were kind of, ooh, do I order them? Do I not? Not that they were bad, just, you know, I think we all question ourselves, do we really need more stickers? And I think you really do. You need these stickers. So I will go through that in another video also. But like I said, thank you for tuning in. And go ahead and like my channel if you want to keep up on what I'm doing on setting up my Hobonichi and my kind of supply and art supply addiction. As I get them, I'll show you guys and share with you what I'm doing, and I love to see what you guys are all doing. So yeah, bye for now.